It should sound something like.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we are on our way. We're gonna check out another feature car we're gonna do on the channel. I've been waiting to do this car for a while. It's been in the shop, but it's back, and hopefully it's good. It's a twin turbo V6. It's pretty freaking nice. It's black. It's a caddy. It's got twin turbos. I mean, it's pretty damn nice. So it's my boy Danny's car. He's had a few issues with it since he got it, but I think we got the car all buttoned up and the car is running good. The car is looking good. So hopefully it doesn't have to go to the shop no more. Just had some stupid little things go wrong with it. Nothing major, but it's still got warranty, so I'll let warranty fix it. So we're on our way now. We're gonna do a little bit of exhaust work to the car. He just got the car back yesterday and he threw some wheels on it already because he's had just parts just stacking up. So poor guy just been looking at these car parts, and the car's been at the dealership for the past couple of weeks. So he's had all the car parts stacking up, and he's happy to get it back. The car looks really good with the new wheels, and I'll show you before and after what it looked like before. It's just, I mean, it's other than that, the car's basically stock. So we're gonna do a little bit of exhaust work. We're gonna go the cheaper route right now. He just wants to see how it sounds. He does plan on putting on exhaust in it completely, but he just wants to make it a little louder because we made a lot of fun of him. In Tennessee, we would call him Tesla because we couldn't hear his car. So we're gonna do a quick before and after of the sound, and we're gonna get we'll just do a simple muffler delete and see how it sounds. See if we get any cool turbo noises. Because I wish I had more turbo noises in my twin turbo V6, but I think this one will make a little more. It has smaller turbos. So we're almost to the muffler shop. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. He's got some big boy tips like I did, so they're similar. I don't know exactly the same, but it should look pretty good with his car. So let's get this done. All right, here's the Cadillac. Hold on, let me add to it. That's it too. Do it again, There it goes. See, sounds better now. Let's work on that. It's a nice car, guys. It's a 2016 Cadillac ATS-V coupe. Just put those wheels on it. Really nice ESR wheels. Awesome looking car. I really like the way this car looks. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. I think it's gonna turn out pretty well. I've seen some other videos of it. Oh, what's up? Too quiet. Needs more turbo. Actuators off?
Yep. No, just disconnect them. They don't throw a code or anything.
They won't, huh?
Nope.
That's what he said.
Okay. What I've been told by a
I know my wife's car, they said they throw a code, but every car.
If they do, then it'll have a check engine light.
If they do, I know a way around it. We throw them back on there and we'll freaking
tuck them up in there.
That's what we do in my wife's car.
Yeah. So when it's all done and said and done, it should sound something like.
me know. Okay, hold on, come here. You need to tell the people the car, and I want you to tell them everything that's gone wrong with the car.
Everything?
Oh, it's a big list, isn't it?
Everything?
What year of the car?
All right, so 2016 Cadillac ATS-V. I sold my Audi for this car.
His Audi's pretty cool.
And I really, really do like this car. I flew to Texas, drove it all the way back in the same day. On the way back, ran into a couple quirky issues. Fuel gauge stopped working going down the highway, just dropped to 0 for some reason, and I knew I had just put gas in it.
It's a race car.
And then when I got down into Florida, my tack stopped working. Just went to 0.
More
the
race
car
car
was running. Like I had an auto start stop feature that I don't have. So needless to say, 3 trips to the dealer, they finally narrowed it down to a electrical connector. They got the electronics fixed. Was happy, great, everything was working. Drove it home about an hour, drove fine. Decided to do a quick little pull. Heard this really weird whining noise that we can add a clip to.
Yeah.
And figured if I was gonna break it, I was gonna break it good. So I dropped a couple gears and sent it. Upon doing so, I blew the turbo on the driver's side, which was obviously going out anyways. So I've had the car for about 45 days now. Been at the dealer for about 25 of those.
Yeah. And you also learned that the car's had an engine replacement.
Did have an engine replacement in January, which is a good thing and a bad thing. I mean, I've got a brand new motor in it. Some of these cars were known to have metal shavings in the intake manifold from the manufacturing process, which causes scarring on the cylinder walls. Either way, car is running great right now. We did put the wheels on yesterday. We will be lowering it soon. Finally going to get the exhaust done and start making it mine, which I've been looking forward to for about 45 days.
Yeah.
So we will see how it continues to drive. I have a really good dealership up in Orlando, really good mechanic that is taking really good care of it. Great customer service, answers me on Messenger, talks to me all the time, lets me know the status of the car. So he's been really, really good. His name's Alex, great guy. The dealership in Texas, Sewell Cadillac, I want to say they weren't forthcoming with information that they should have had as far as the engine swap. I asked very specific questions due to the rarity of these cars. Didn't get really good answers. Now they have taken care of any deductibles that were due because it is a CPO car, that's good, you know, but they really haven't compensated me for the time I've been without this car. Thank God the dealer in Orlando gives out good loaners, so you know it's been bearable. But needless to say, my experience there sales wise was great. Everything afterwards not so much. So it is what it is. Just keep working, keep the car running great, and hopefully it just continues.
Yeah, it's still a badass car, and it's a good looking car, and it's, you know, sometimes you buy a used car, you end up finding a whole bag of tricks to it, but hopefully it should be done now. The car's looking really good and it's running good, so he's happy with the car. I'm happy he got the car. It's a twin turbo V6. And this is just the beginning of the mods, guys. So we got a whole other stuff we're gonna do with this car. So and now I'm gonna be involved. The channel's gonna be involved. So he's excited as hell. Hopefully we could turn it up here soon, and maybe we could run them together. You know, TTV6 versus TTV6. That'll be cool. All right, so let's look underneath here. Factory ATS-V. Factory X-Pipe. X-Pipe with V6. I've never seen this before. Helps. Yeah, I thought about 2.5. Looks a lot like mine, very similar when it comes to, but the arrow. They did a cheap way of doing arrow, but it's covered up pretty well underneath. That big old, that's factory dent. Get it clear. I know how to make these cars sound good, so, but he's already halfway there, and once he does downpipes, then we could mess around more with the exhaust. Should be pretty damn good. God, those cats are big. Hey Danny, look, oil change is pretty damn simple. He ain't gonna do it though, because you know, he got little baby hands. just about done. I want to see how this thing sounds. All right, Danny. It's done. Yeah, remote start. Ooh, had a look. Sounds good. Sounds different than my car. Much different than my car. Get some gas, get some gas. These more turbo noises, hold on. Wait. It's okay. It's okay. Here, I'll step on it. You can hear it. Oh, it doesn't let you go high.
No.
Ah, that's weak. It's like that's why you can't hear the turbos.
I can hear them. Well, it's turbo.
Twin turbo.
I can hear it. You can hear them. They
You need to take the cats off this bitch.
Yeah, once
You take the cats off. Alright, we're doing the cats next week.
God, this bitch is dirty. Needs a bath.
Bitch is always dirty.
Shut up. Ain't bad deal.
That sounds good. When he gets on it, that sounds good. It's not raspy at all. Expecting it to be raspy like Mustangs. Mustangs could be very raspy. That sounds good. Dude, it sounds good. It sounds really good. It's not I wasn't, it's not raspy or nothing. It gets actually deeper the harder you get on it.
Yeah. They get raspy when you pull the cats.
Yeah. No, it sounds good. Damn it. Might have to keep the cats.
I ain't keeping the cats.
No. Yes, we are, because we're all about government EPA stuff.
I'm keeping the cats.
Yes, we are. Car looks good, dude. Once you lower this bitch,
I'm happy.
it's gonna be good. Come on, bro. Don't be scared. We'll cut a link off.
I'm not cutting a link off.
Come on.
Ain't no fucking Honda.
Sounds good, guys. It sounds really good. I'm actually really impressed how good it sounds. That's a really good sounding engine. And it's not crazy loud, but it's like it has a really good tone for a muffler delete. Some engines just sound good. That one sounds good. I'm glad he's happy. All the struggles with that car he's had, but I think he's finally getting to a place where he could actually start bonding the car. But Danny's all about doing mods and enjoying the car, making it his own, just like I am. So hopefully all the issues are gone and he can enjoy this car and really, really have some fun with it, because he really likes the car. I really like the car. So hopefully it's all good. It has a wah. It sounds pretty. I don't know. Every time he gets off the gas, it's not a burble. It's more like a wah. So I don't know. Oh. Woo! that sucker sounds really good. I mean, my car sounds pretty good too, but I mean, for just some Muffler Delete, God, you know how many things I had to change in my car to make it sound somewhat decent? That's pretty damn impressive. All right, let's see what it sounds like actually going down the road.
Get me taking off and then get me.
Ooh, maybe you do a launch mode. Don't get the fucking tires wet though. Yeah, see, yeah. I'm gonna teach you to do some things. Oh. Holy crap, that thing sounds good for just a Muffler Delete. It's got, I don't know what it has. It doesn't sound like a typical V6. It does not. Cadillac and GM, you guys did an awesome job, at least on the sounds of that engine. God, y'all should just leave that. Y'all shouldn't even know. They don't even make this car anymore. Y'all should have left that car alone. Leave no mufflers on like the Fiats do. I think it's down too, boys. I think it's down. Y'all don't know about those cars. Watch out.
All I can say is Bobby better get that blower on sooner than later.
Oh, coming after you.
Coming.
He coming. He coming.
I'll blow it up.
Yeah.
You know I will.
Yeah, yeah. It's got warranty, so what the hell not? I mean, what else could break on it?
Everything.
Sounds good though. Sounds good. 2016 Cadillac ATS-V.
I'm very, very happy with the car right now.
Yeah. Car sounds good. This car's starting to look real good. Oh, this is good. This is good. So, there it is, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. It's another twin turbo V6 for the channel. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this car, and maybe when he turns it up, he could actually race me, but it might be a while. Right, Danny? No, not gonna be that long?
Not gonna be that long.
Oh, okay, see, all right, so we got something to look forward to in the future. So there it is, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, just a big thumbs up. See you guys later. Stay safe out there.